Okay, so this is the new DianSheng X2 Cube, so let's have a quick look. What is it, and what does it do? Why does it exist? That's what we need to know. So, the DianSheng X2 Cube turns like that, and like that. So, okay, so it's a bit different from that, but kind of similar, I guess. So I presume it's like ridiculously easy to solve. But it looks like you can change the color scheme a bit. Right. Okay. Oh, okay. So you can get this case. There's no instructions, nothing. So I've got to figure this out. No, that doesn't change anything. Okay. I mean, obviously I've got to check the color scheme on the bottom. So let's get that right. Nope, that is still wrong, and oh no, the color scheme is wrong. That's why. Is it why? Okay. Color scheme's right on top, but not on the bottom. So let's oh, now it's wrong like that. Okay, so this is a bit more challenging than I thought to swap these two. Well, I mean, that's the 3-minute short time limit basically ended, so I guess I didn't figure it out in time for you to finish watching this. But you can try and see if you can solve it in under 3 minutes by buying one now at speedcubing.com.